This video goes with my blog post about 3D printing a calculus volume by cross-section problem. So these are the 3D printed shapes over here, and here's the base of the shape sketched out. You can see the diameter over here, and so the correct solid was actually this one, and the cross sections for this one are parallel to the diameter, like that. You can see them if you look a little bit closely. You can see the sort of squares in the way it was printed. Also, I made this so that you can break it open. This is just some poster gum, but you can kind of crack it open and see the cross sections as squares. The other solid over here was actually done with cross sections perpendicular to the base. So it's like that. So this was the mistake that somebody made, came up with another interesting shape. Here are the cross sections, and you can see them perpendicular to the diameter. All squares again. And this is another look. A little bit hard to see it, but I think you can tell that the cross sections are all squares here.